Dear students, we are going to study exercise 8.4 trigonometric identities. So what is the identities? Any equation involving an equation is called an identity when it is used. It is true for all the values. That is known as identity. But what is trigonometric identities? An equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity, and if it is true for all the values of angles involved. कुनै इक्वेसन मा trigonometric ratio like sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec ratios if involved, so this type of equation is known as trigonometric identity. So we have three identities we will prove here. First is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Second is sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Now 3 is cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. These three are the very important identities, and these identities will help to solve the questions in this exercise. So suppose how to prove this. There are three identities. First we are taking this. How to prove sin square a, if it is theta angle, so we can say also we can write like this: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means angle may be anything, theta, phi, a, b, or any type of. So two angles are acute. So actually it is in right triangle ABC, it is the Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So it is perpendicular is BC square, base is AB square, hypotenuse is AC. You know this thing, it is base, it is perpendicular, and it is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC square. And what is BC? BC is okay. So in right triangle by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now dividing both sides are, we can write throughout by cos AC square, AC square. That means this BC square by AC square plus AB square by also AC square, and right side also AC square by AC square. It is going to be cancel out, getting one BC by AC. BC is perpendicular, AC hypotenuse. The perpendicular by hypotenuse plus AB is base, AC is hypotenuse square equal to 1. The P by H, you know this thing, sin A, that means square. So sin square A plus B by base by hypotenuse cos A, it is square, cos square equal to 1. So it is our first identity, and with the help of this one we can also get number second. Like if you divide this, now say here the first identity is sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1, and if we dividing this equation 1 by cos square a, so here sin square a by cos square a, because dividing both sides, plus cos square a by here also cos square a equal to right side 1 by cos square a. So sin square by, you know this thing, sin by cos tan, so tan square a plus cos by, it is cancel out one time, plus 1 equal to 1 by cos sec square a. That means we can write sec square a, tan square coming this side, tan square a equal to 1. So it is the second identity. If we again divide again divide equation 1 by sin square a on both sides. So divide here sin square a में मुनि पनि लेख्यो sin square a, each and every term divide cos square a हो, इसको मुनि के हाल्यो sin square a equal to 1 को मुनि पनि sin square, तो sin square cancel by 1, so it is 1 plus cos by sin cot, so it is cot square a 1 by sin cosec square a, so we can write this cosec square a minus cot square is equal to 1. So these are the three identity you should learn. So these are very important identities. So now just we have done three identities. And which type of questions will come, where to use this? Suppose number 1 is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So if anywhere sin square 20 degree plus cos square 20 degree, answer becomes 1. These angles, if they are same, answer becomes 1. Like sin square 10 plus cos square 10, it also becomes 1. So there, it can be used like this. And one main thing, this value is true for zero to 90, and sin a must be 0 or 90 or between 0 to 90, and this one sec, it cannot be written 90 because tan 90 is not defined, so we can take here only for sec, and sec 90 also not defined, so it will take here, it becomes 0 but less than 90. 0 भन्दा 0 पनि हुन सक्छ, sec 10 को भ्यालु तर 90 भन्दा कम्ती हुनु पर्यो. इन द केस अफ cosec, cot 0 is not defined, ये 0 नहोस्, either including 0 here excluding 0, 0 less than a यो 90 हुन सक्छ. So these are the things too. It is true for only 0 to greater than 0 to 90 are equal to 90. So we can do some examples, like example from this. So before starting the exercise, we will do some examples. Example 12 from the textbook is express the ratios cos a tan a and sec a in terms of sin a. भन्नुको मतलब के छ, cos a को भ्यालु निकाल्नु, sin आउनु पर्यो, tan a सल्भ गर्नु, त्यसमा पनि sin a आउनु पर्ने, sec a सल्भ गर्दा पनि only we can get sin a in terms of sin a. Suppose first is cos a to solve, and answer must be in terms of sin a. So we have three identities. यहाँ तीनटा बाट एउटा हेर्नु पर्यो. cos a कुनमा छ, so definitely we use identity number 1. We know that thing, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, and we have to find here cos a. So first we write here cos square equal to, it is 1 plus sin square goes that side, राम्रो हेरौँ, cos square a लेख्यो, यता 1 लेख्यो, प्लस sin square गरेर माइनस होता भयो, आन्सर चाहिन्छ हामीलाई sin को टर्ममा, and cos a it is square and this side, and actually it is plus minus, but in the case of ratios we are taking only positive values, so it is 1 minus sin square a, so it is the answer. So you can see here cos a को जुन भ्यालु निकाल्यो कुन टर्म में sin a, जस्तो पनि सल्भ गरेर sin आउनु पर्यो, त्यस्तै tan a, नेक्स्ट इज tan a पनि सल्भ गर्नु, and need in terms of sin a. So tan a formula we can use this sec, here tan, here cosec square, cot square, but we know this thing, tan a equal to sin a by cos a. It is a formula. In previous exercises you have done this. Sin a by cos a, and here sin a cos a already we found here, root over 1 minus sin square a. So tan a can be written as sin a by root over 1 minus sin square a. So it is the second value. हामीले tan a सल्भ गर्यो, के पायो, sin मात्रै पायो, because we have to find only in terms of sin a. Now next is sec a. Sec a. So two things we can do by here also by sec a सल्भ गर्नु sin a आउनु पर्यो. तो sec a यो युज गर्दा आउँदैन, बिकज हियर tan we need sin. So sec a के को उल्टा हो, cos को हो. Sec a written as 1 by cos a. So 1 by what is cos a? Already we have cos a, root over 1 minus sin square a. So sec a equal to 1 by root over 1 minus sin square a. So it is answer of sec a in terms of sin a. sec a सल्भ गर्यो, sin को टर्म पायो. cos a सल्भ गर्यो, sin को टर्म पायो. tan a सल्भ गर्यो, sin को टर्म पायो. So these are the solution of this example. So students, now see the example 13. example किन अगाडि मैले गर्नु खोजेको, example गरे भने after doing examples the exercise questions will be easy to you. सल्भ गर्नु सजिलो हुन्छ, त प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु पर्यो पहिले. So what is this? Prove that sec a 1 minus sin a sec a plus tan is equal to 1. So it is left hand side, that is right hand side. So what is the process to solve? First we write left hand side. It is 1 minus sin a, and here sec a plus tan a. यसलाई हामीले सल्भ गरेर के देखाउनु पर्ने छ, 1. तो एउटा टेक्निक इसमा के छ, फर्स्ट in any type of, in case of this questions, if left hand side given, right hand side given, so we can solve left hand side to get right hand side, otherwise right hand side solving to get left hand side. So first try to convert always in terms of sin a and cos a. sin लाई sin छ भने sin लाई बदल्नु परेन, cos a पनि बदल्नु परेन. But if other terms are coming, suppose here sin a, no need to change. Here sec a, try to change in sin and cos. Here tan a, change also sin and cos. So now see here, it is 1 minus sin a and sec a. Now see the question is 1 minus sin a sec a into, sorry, we have here it was sec a. So sec a को फर्मुला के हो, 1 by cos a. सबै लेखिसकेको छ प्रिभियस एक्सरसाइजेसमा. sec cos a को उल्टा sec a उल्टा cos a, 1 by cos a, and 1 by sin a we will not change because already sin. sec a also 1 by cos a. tan a को फर्मुला के हो, sin a by cos a. सबै लेखेको छ फर्मुला, जस्ट मेमोराइज देम. sec a लाई के लेख्छ 1 by cos a, sin a बदलिनु परेन, sec a 1 by cos a, tan a को फर्मुला sin by cos. Always try to convert into sin and cos. अब यहाँ के हुन्छ, 1 into 1 minus sin a त्यही पाउँछ, 1 by sin a सेम तल आयो, cos a into here cos a LCM cos a, same terms. So here it becomes 1 plus sin a. Now here 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a, you know this thing. एउटा ब्रेकेट में a minus b अर्कोमा a plus b छ भने फर्मुला के हुन्छ, a square minus b square. Algebraic identity this. The it is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. The a is 1 square, b is sin a square minus b को square by cos a into cos a, cos square a. So 1 square 1, sin square sin a into sin a it becomes sin square a by cos square a. अब sin square कहीं आउँदाखेरि बुझिहाल्नुपर्छ यो आइडेन्टिटी नम्बर 1 एनीवेयर sin square a कमिङ you should write sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. अब यहाँ हामीले 1 माइनस sin square चेन्ज गर्नु सक्छ, अदरवाइज cos square पनि चेन्ज गर्नु सकिन्छ. तो फ्रम हियर if we write here cos square a equal to 1 plus sin that side going sin square a. So in the place of 1 minus sin square a we can use cos square a. So 1 minus sin square is cos square a by it is cos square a. It is cancel out getting 1 and this is equal to right hand side hence proved. So here रोटेर हुँदैन. What we do here, you have the formulas, main formulas sec a 1 by cos a, cosec a 1 by sin a, tan a sin a by cos a, cot a cos a by sin a. यति याद छ भने any question can be convert in terms of sin and cos a and you can get the result of right hand side. So it was the solution of example 13. So now see the question number 1 from the exercise 8.4. Express the trigonometric ratio sin a, sec and tan a in terms of cot a. यस्तै खालको एउटा हामीले एक्जाम्पल गर्यो. sin a सल्भ गर्नु, cot a आओस्, cot a को टर्ममा, sec a also in terms of cot a, tan a also in terms of cot a. So first we try to solve this sin a. sin a सल्भ गर्नु पर्यो, के आउनु पर्यो, cot a को टर्ममा. So we have the identity. I am writing again sin square a plus cos square a 1, second sec square a minus tan square is equal to, don't be confused here, it is positive as this negative. Third is cosec square a minus cot square is equal to 1. Only we have 3 identities. यो 3 आइडेन्टिटी को हेल्प निस्किहाल्छ. So sin, if we use this sin, यसमा cot निस्किनु सक्दैन, यसमा पनि cot निस्किँदैन. cosec, if we use this, try गर्नु पर्यो. Suppose you are writing here sin square a plus cos square a. So how to get sin is here, but how to get cot a? We cannot get from this. So if we use this number 3, this cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. तो cosec square, cosec is sin का उल्टा हो. cosec square a written as 1 by sin square a, sin pi o, and it is minus cot square a equal to 1 minus cot square a, send that side. So it is 1 by sin square a equal to 1 plus cot square a, right in denominator 1 by cross multiplying sin square a into cross multiplying cot square a equal to 1 into 1, it is 1. So sin square a equal to, it is 1 divided by यो मुनिपट्टि आउँछ cot square a, it is sin square a. Now sin a यता के आउँछ root over 1 by 1 plus cot square a. So sin a equal to 1 को स्क्वायर रूट 1 हुन्छ, यसको निस्किँदैन, it becomes in root 1 plus cot square a. So it is answer. We have solved sin a getting terms of cot a. Cot a आयो. So it was the solution of sin a. Now next it is finished. Sec a. Sec a. So sec a. Now see here, sec a is here. If we use this sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So sec square equal to 1 minus goes that side, tan square a, and tan square is written as 1 by cot, tan का उल्टा cot, 1 plus tan square like लेख्छ 1 by cot, it is square, both square, it is 1 by 1. Now sec square is equal to 1 cot square LCM, cot square 1 divided by cot square into 1, यता पाउँछ cot square plus यो cancel भयो, यता पाए 1. Now sec A equal to root over cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Next sec A equal to cot square A plus 1, इसको रूट निस्किँदैन, cot square, cot into cot, that means its square root is cot A. So it is the answer of that sec A. sec A सल्भ गर्यो के पायो cot A, cot मात्रै पायो त, cot मात्रै पाउनुपर्छ in terms of cot A. Now last is tan A. So it is very easy, tan A, tan को उल्टा हुन्छ cot, very easy this, the tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. tan A पनि सल्भ गर्नु के पाउनु पर्ने हो cot A, getting cot A here. So it is answer of this question mark 1. Now number 3 is evaluate sin square 63 degree 3 को 1, sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. If sin square is coming, so you should understand that always we get sin square A plus cos square A. Such type of questions gives this. So try to get this. So sin square A is here, it cannot be changed, sin square 63 degree. यसलाई चेन्ज गरौँ because these are complementary angles. 63 plus 27 पनि 90 हो, 17 plus 73 पनि के हो 90 हुन्छ जोड्दा. So we can change anyone. इसमें कुनै एउटा चेन्ज गर्नु सक्छ, this term otherwise this term. If you want to change this sin square, अब sin square 90 बाट के घटाउने कि 27 पाउँछ, यही हिन्ट दिएको छ. If we subtract 63 from the 90 we get 27, अनि sin square 27 लाई के लेख्छ sin square 90 बाट के घटाउँदा पाउँछ, यो यही हिन्ट दिएको छ, 90 बाट 63 घटाउँदा यो पाउँछ. त sin 90 minus theta cos theta and theta is 63, that means cos square 63. यस्तो यसलाई चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो. जस्ट लाइक नेक्स्ट यसमा पनि यहाँ दुईटै cos square छ, we can change anyone, we can change anyone, जुन पनि चेन्ज गर्नु सक्छ एउटा मात्रै. सपोज यो चेन्ज गर्नु छ भने cos square 90 बाट के घटाउन 73 पाउँछ, हिन्ट इज गिवन हियर, minus 70 degree, put here degree. So sin square 63 degree plus sin 90 minus A. Formula is cos A. So sin 90 minus A, cos A, and it is square. So put square, A means 63 degree by here cos square 17 degree plus cos 90 minus A, sin A. You have written in the previous exercise cos 90 minus A, it becomes sin A. So it is sin square, A is 17. So formula is sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. A becomes 63, it becomes 1. Here also sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. Both are coming 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. It is answer. Same angle here. Sin square 63 plus cos square 63 is equal to 1 because it is sin square, it is A, cos square it is A. Same angle must be. So we can get 1. So it is the solution of first part of the question number 3.